welcome back to Complete Kitchen and Bath. Today I want to talk about the hard part, the preparation for a kitchen remodel. I often joke that a remodel is probably the worst thing for a marriage, just for the fact is it takes you out of your norm. The kitchen is the heart of your house. It's where you make most of your decisions. It's where you learn about your family. It's where everything happens is in your kitchen, and you're about to be without it for a little while. And this is not a one size fits all. So every renovation comes with its own problems and issues. We discussed it in some of the other videos about rot found behind your sink or behind your stove, or what's there, what happens. So just the acknowledge of the challenges that's going to be in front of you. So keeping a positive attitude through it, knowing that challenges are going to pop up. And again, it's back to the design and the team that helped you start this, that put the whole thing together, so you don't come up with a lot of surprises. I would suggest that if you're going to renovate your kitchen, that you find a space to make a temporary kitchen. Set up a table, put your microwave on it, have some paper plates and plastic cups and some, the more you prep for this, the time without not having a kitchen, the better off you're going to be through the whole process. If you just go in and tear everything out with no preparation, it's going to be aggravating and frustrating for you. So prepare. And again, that goes back to, what cabinet line did you pick? Some of them take 3 months to get your cabinets. Some of them we can get in a couple weeks. So all of that plays a big factor in what challenges we're going to come up when remodeling your kitchen. Again, I just work closely with the designer and the contractor on timing. That's huge. We don't want to tear out your kitchen too early before your cabinets are here and they're ready, so you're not fighting with, you haven't had cabinets in there for months. Everything needs to be timed out correctly. There are all kinds of challenges, but preparation is key for any kitchen remodel, no matter who's doing it. So be prepared, get your table set up, get your microwave, get a mini fridge or a place for your fridge to set during the process. Again, your plastic cups and forks and knives, all of that seems little, but in the big scheme of things, preparation is the key. Stay tuned, we got more videos coming to get you a complete kitchen and bath. Thanks.